Hey, what is going on, guys? Tim here again, back with another Paracord Community Weaver Spotlight episode. So today we are looking at an individual, and he goes by the handle of Untitled Chapter. Hope I'm saying that right. So as of right now, at the time of making this video, he has about 1,400 followers on the nose, actually, and I think he deserves a lot more. As you will see really shortly why I think so. So starting out, as you can see right off the bat, some really nice photos, good quality photos, of course, excellent color choices, I might say, if I might say so myself. A lot of colors that I would personally use myself as well. So from what I can tell, a lot of these designs are original, and I do believe he does credit them if they are not. But based on the designs they do, or this person does, they're based on a kind of single cord method, as you can see by, say, like this photo here. This is called the Banshee Paracord bracelet, which is really cool. And yes, it uses a single cord, but has a base of 6 cords. So it's really cool. I mean, it really is like weaving, you know, paracord, a paracord bracelet. And this one really caught my eye off the top. That is beautiful. Like, wow. This one's called the Brute Paracord bracelet. And let's see. He does put the material consumption, which is awesome. And also you can kind of see or figure out how it's done. This isn't, maybe this is not like the best tutorial, but there are other tutorials on this Instagram, on the Instagram feed. So some more cool demos here. For example, like this, you can tell, you can kind of see how it's done. You may have to use, think about it a little bit, but still really cool that there is a photo tutorial for a lot of these bracelets. And I think we can all appreciate that when a paracordist shares their technique, which is super cool. So just scrolling further down, yeah, a lot more tutorials. This is nice. What is this? The chainmail. Sweet. I like that. Because these bracelets are done in this style of weaving, they do have similar, I guess, a similar visual aesthetic, you can call it. Now this is, oh cool. This is a, this was Macambet's Fury paracord bracelet, which I did a tutorial on, but this was done in a slightly different way. Almost like a Mad Max closure, but slightly different. So that is really cool as well. Oh, and I did notice Untitled Chapter uses this type of jig. Let's go back up to the top here. You can see the jig here. It's quite different. It has these holes up top, and you kind of feed the paracord through to form the core, and you weave it around it. So that's really interesting. I've never done a bracelet like that because I guess I never tried out a paracord jig like that. But that is really interesting, and if I'm not mistaken, I think I saw these jigs for sale somewhere. If not by him, by someone else. But again, really cool patterns. Yeah, and excellent color choices. Good quality photos and tutorials as well. So yeah, check out Untitled Chapter on Instagram. Wow, alright, this one is something I've seen before. This is really cool. It's the shifted tracker paracord bracelet. So yeah, it's based on the tracker or the track knot by Macambet, but taken to a whole new level. That's pretty insane. I mean, look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8-strand core done like that. That is super cool. And we've made it to the end of the feed, but yeah, Untitled Chapter, go check them out. Give them a follow because you've got some quality paracord photographs here, as well as tutorials and paracord bracelet ideas. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. Definitely, I'll put a link down below for Untitled Chapter's Instagram feed, and definitely go check them out. And I hope you enjoyed this episode of Weaver Spotlight. So guys, remember, if you have any individuals in the paracord community that you believe or feel that they deserve a shout out, feel free to comment down below, link their Instagram feed. I will go check them out. And yeah, that's it. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I will see you on the next video.